Hey guys, Andy here from MrYouWho, and today we're back with something I've been genuinely excited to test. If you followed the channel, you remember when I reviewed the original Ranvoo Bubble electric toothbrush. That thing completely surprised me. It combined sonic cleaning with microbubble tech, and honestly felt like a mini dentist clean every morning. Well, it's the upgrade, the new Ranvoo AirJet II, and it takes the same concept and kicks it up about 3 notches, and here it is. You can see there it is just there. Now look at that. Isn't it beautiful? And also the packaging as well, isn't that really, really nice? This is the world's first jet-powered gum care electric toothbrush. Yeah, you heard that right, jet-powered. It uses airflow boost technology and a triple cylinder pump to push out over 220,000 microbubbles per minute when you brush. Sounds like overkill, doesn't it? But wait until you see what I can do. And yes, because you guys love a giveaway, we're actually giving one away. To win your very own Ranvoo AirJet II, just make sure you subscribed, like the video, and drop a comment below with the word AirJet and your favorite toothpaste brand. Every comment and share counts as another entry, so let's get involved. And also, let's switch on just now, and as you can see, hold down the button, and there it comes on just there, and look at that toothbrush head go. Look at that beauty go. Oh God, it feels great. Unboxing the AirJet II, you can tell straight away this isn't your average electric toothbrush. Everything in the box looks premium. You get the main toothbrush handle, 3 pro brush heads, a really sleek magnetic wall mount charger, and a proper little user manual that actually tells you all the modes. Even the packaging itself feels high-end. It's the sort of thing that more looks like a tech gadget than a bathroom product. Now, the handle itself is quite beautiful as well. Now, I've got the graphite grey version here, and it's got a lovely kind of matte, soft touch finish that feels solid in the hand, but not slippery when wet. The button layout is clear and simple. One multi-button function that cycles through all the modes, and a magnetic base at the bottom that just snaps onto the wall charger when you're done. It's neat, minimal, and looks way more stylish than the bulky dock-style chargers most brands still use. Now let's talk tech, because this is where the AirJet II really stands out. Inside, it's running an aerospace-grade triple-cylinder DC pump that powers a 2.6 meter per second airflow. What that means is as you brush, it's releasing a constant stream of microbubbles that actually travel between your teeth to lift plaque and food particles out from places normal bristles can't reach. Guys, you combine that with sonic vibration, and you've got this dual action cleaning system that genuinely feels next level. And guys, I'm not exaggerating. So when I turn it on, I can actually feel the air coming onto my face just now. Literally can feel it. And you can feel the, you can see the toothbrush head moving there as well. Look at the vibrations. You can see it going brrrr. It's like a kind of soft water pressure washer for your mouth. Powerful, but gentle at the same time. Now, I'm gonna go and test this out right now, actually in the bathroom, so I can show you guys exactly how it works. Let's do that right now. There's no better way to actually test out the Ranvoo AirJet II toothbrush than actually putting into my mouth. So as you can see, there's a toothbrush just there. And again, doesn't it look absolutely stunning? Now we get the toothpaste. Now start with the feel of the bristles. They feel really good quality. The brush feels really nice. You can see the quality build in it. We put a toothbrush, we turn on. Now start with, I'm gonna go and use, we'll use whitening to start with. What I can feel is the air coming through as I'm actually brushing it. So you can feel the air going onto your teeth. You can feel the vibration of the brush heads too. So you can feel it's getting right in there with the plaque, getting in between the teeth as well where you normally floss. But the air you can feel on your teeth as well. So it's pushing out all the bad stuff while using your teeth. So, right. Now I've got the foam mode on. Okay, the foam mode basically provides a lot more air that basically lifts it up. So the whitening is focused on removing plaque and actually getting into your tooth. The foam mode feels slightly lighter, so it doesn't have as much air pressure, I think, as the whitening mode. but you can feel it, there's more air, but you can really feel it foaming into the toothpaste, so actually making it stick to teeth. The next one is the soft mode. So soft mode feels, as it says, a lot softer, less pressure coming on, but it feels like the blade's turning, feels like the toothbrush head turning a lot more as it's doing it. But this is absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna do a quick brush now. I'm gonna do it on whitening mode and come back to you guys with what I think. So let's go and do that just now. Well, what can I say? To start with, the teeth feel so clean. I can't feel any kind of marks or anything in between my gums as well. And that's because the perfect alignment of the air, as well as the pressure, as well as the nice soft bristles and the rotations means that it's fantastic for your teeth. So guys, I'm a big fan of electric toothbrushes, but this toothbrush really takes it up a notch straight away. As you can see, there was 3 modes. You had the foam mode, which is gentle mode, that's sensitive for sensitive teeth and gum care. Basically, it helps you if you've got like, I don't know, sensitive teeth or gums. The second one is clean mode. Now that's your everyday go-to. You can hear the pitch change and the brush feels better. Now it gives you that kind of mixture between pressure and bubbles and makes it feel a lot different. And then finally guys, we've got white mode. This is a powerhouse. The one that's assigned to give polish stains and give it extra boost before a big event or shoot. You can actually feel the increased pressure when you're using it as well. It feels really good. And guys, I've tried a few times now, and every time I finish a 2-minute cycle as well. And my teeth feel completely smooth. Guys, you know that's post-dentist feeling when you run your tongue over your teeth, like that? Glassy, that's exactly it. Now let's talk brush heads, because Ranvoo doesn't just make 1 and call it a day, you get 3 in the box. And there is a brush head just there. Now let's talk brush heads, because Ranvoo didn't just make 1 and call it a day, you get 3 in the box. A gentle gum care head for sensitive users, a multi-action clean for everyday use, and a power whitening head for when you want to tackle surface stains. They're all made with 0.01mm dew point bristles, ultra fine, soft, and as you can feel them just here, but strong enough to remove plaque efficiently, and they actually feel really, really nice. Like you could actually, if I had hair, you could brush your hair with it. I love how you can swap them out depending on what your mouth needs that week. And you can take it out quite easily. Some mornings I just go for the gentle mode with the soft head. Other times, if I've had too much coffee, I'll go straight for the whitening one. It's flexible, easy, and they all click on and off with a satisfying snap. So there you go, just literally just move it off and then pop it back on. Battery life is another win. It's got a 1600 milliamp hour battery inside. And Ranvoo says it lasts up to 60 days per charge. I've been using it twice a day for over 2 weeks and the indicator hasn't gone down at all. It still shows full. You also get a travel lock feature so it won't accidentally switch on your bag. Just hold the button for 3 seconds and it's locked. The charger itself is one of the smartest I've seen as well. As you can see just here, it's like a magnetic wall mount that doubles as a charger itself. So you can put that on the wall, you can then plug the toothbrush into it and you've got charging happening. Just like that. Magnetic wall charger that doubles as a charger itself. So no messy base sitting on your counter, just mount it neatly on the wall and the brush hangs there like a piece of art. And there's a cable there. Every time you finish it, brushing it, it snaps back into place and starts charging automatically, which is great. Now, build quality is also excellent as well. It's water resistant, easy to rinse on the tap, and non-porous surface means it doesn't collect toothpaste, residue, or water spots. Guys, even after a few weeks, it still looks brand new. I mean, look at there, doesn't it look absolutely fantastic? Nothing's happened with it. Isn't that nice? So how does it compare to the original Ranvoo Bubble toothbrush? The Bubble was great, guys, and it's still available if you want to purchase it. Super smooth and introduced that microbubble tech for the first time. But this AirJet II feels like a more complete refinement. The airflow is stronger, the motor feels more precise, and the brushing experience, guys, just feels more advanced overall. The sonic vibration combined with AirJet really does give a deeper clean. But it's still gentle enough for people with sensitive gums. And I've done a number of different toothbrushes now, and as I said, the air pressure, as I said, with the sonic, it really does get right into your teeth and gives a good clean. Now, I'm not a dentist myself, and I don't ever want to be one, but I can scientifically say the plaque removal works very, very well. I can't say it's 100% or not because I'm not a dentist, but I can tell you this. After a few weeks of using it, my mouth feels cleaner, my gums look healthier, and I haven't had any irritation at all. Guys, that's what matters to me. And it should matter to you as well. So here's my verdict. The Ranvoo AirJet II is honestly one of the most impressive electric toothbrushes I've tested. And you're not paying for genuine innovation and a premium. It's one of the most impressive electric toothbrushes I've tested. But you're paying for genuine innovation and a premium experience. It looks great, feels great, and delivers a clean that's noticeably better than most mainstream brushes I've used, including some from Philips and Oral-B. So guys, if you want a toothbrush that genuinely makes brushing feel a bit more futuristic, this one is quite powerful and super satisfying to use. So yes, I highly recommend it. So don't forget, you can win one too. Like the video, subscribe, click on comments, and let us know what you think. And also check the links below if you wish to purchase it. And guys, we've really loved working with you guys today. And I'm just gonna go away now and brush my teeth, and thanks for watching.